Demonstration portion of the Woods lamp exam, removal of the foreign body, evaluation and removal of the rust ring. So first, your supplies will be laid out. You have saline for irrigation, saline in a syringe, Q-tips, your ophthalmic anesthetic, which we're using proparacaine, some 4x4s, 25 gauge needle, fluorescein strips, and a pair of gloves. To start, the purpose, we always explain our procedure to the patient. Our patient's name is Susie today. We let Miss Susie know that we'll be irrigating her eye and removing the foreign body. This patient was walking outside and something flew in her eye, and she feels the sensation of a foreign body in her eye. So we'll start with hand hygiene first. Then we want to don our gloves. We'll give the patient a 2x2 gauze so that she can catch anything that drips down into her face and maybe runs down her cheek. We'll start by using 1 to 2 drops of the proparacaine. Miss Susie, we're dropping 1 to 2 drops in your eye. This is part of the lidocaine family, so there is a slight little burn that can last anywhere from about 30 seconds to 2 minutes. I'll drop 2 drops. You keep your eye closed until that burning is resolved and then open when you're ready. If you would for me, I'll hold the upper lid. You hold the upper lid and have the patient hold the conjunctiva sac, and we drop 2 drops right into that sac and have her close the eyes. Susie, while your eyes is closed, if you would move from left to right and up to down when tolerated, that as soon as that burn resolves, please open your eye. Patient has opened her eye, and we are now ready to proceed. So first, we want to take a look at the eye and see what we see. This is assuming that we have already performed extraocular muscles and checked that the pupil was equal, round, and reactive to light. We want to start by irrigating the eye. So I'll hold the upper lid, she holds the lower lid, and we really just irrigate that eye really well. Have her to look down as you do the upper, have her look up as you do the lower eyelid. Get the corners real good. You want to really try to irrigate that eye. And this is not forceful pressure. This is very gentle pressure with normal saline. Once we have completed that, we just have the patient dab the eye. And now she is nice and numb at this point. The first thing we want to do is assess for foreign bodies. So we want to make sure that we have removed any visible foreign body that is present either on the eye or in the conjunctiva sac or tucked away in the upper or lower eyelid. And so we want to have the patient look down and evert that eyelid, and you look in this corner. You want to evert that eyelid and take a good look in the opposite corner. Have the patient look up and you pull that conjunctiva sac down, and then again on this side. Have the patient close. Have her open a few times and make sure anything that's visible you have removed. If once you irrigate, you still see visible foreign bodies, you must flush until all visible foreign bodies are removed. Now, we have everted and flushed. Now we are ready to actually stain the eye. So we take our fluorescein strip. One pearl of wisdom, I tell you, is that we have to keep the eye nice and numb for the patient. So I take 1 drop of the proparacaine and drop it there on the fluorescein strip. And now you have the patient look up, you hold the top, she holds the upper, and just a gentle swipe across the lower eyelid into the conjunctiva sac. Have her blink several times, blink, 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 move the eye ball right to left. She may still experience a slight burn. As soon as it resolves, you're ready to proceed. Now, with your wood lamp in place, we need to dim the lights because she is all stained. So give it a few minutes and let's dim the lights.
Hey, thank you so much for watching this snippet. If you would like to see full-length tutorial videos, be sure to check out our online CE courses at our website, schools.mpskillsmadeeasy.com. Again, that's schools.mpskillsmadeeasy.com. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see similar, we have more available on our YouTube page. But be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.